Good morning, student. Let us start to engineering mathematics. We are running the series. That name for that series is exam decoder. We are discussing here the question and answer. Okay. Now today's we are discussing the one question. That question is name is means point under the point is find the rank of matrix by using normal form. Find the rank of matrix by using normal form. Let us, this is matrix are given and this type of questions have the weightage is 5 mark. Okay. This question number 2, we want to find the rank for this matrix by using the normal form. Now, in the normal form, whatever may be that leading element are available, that must be 1. Leading element 1 hona chahiye. It is compulsion in the normal form. Okay. Now, write down this given matrix as it is. We are writing given matrix is as it is here. We are writing. Now, let us observe what is the leading element in row number 1. This is leading element is 6. But observe the column number 1, 2, column number 2, this first element is 1. If you are interchanging the column number 1 and column number 2, then what will happen? That leading element become equal to 1. Leading element become equal to 1. Let us apply these operations and interchange. Apply this operation and interchange column number 1 to column number 2. Now, if we are applying this operation, that times that matrix becomes such that we are only interchanging column number 1 and column number 2. Now, what in if you want to convert that matrix into normal form, so what will be the first operation? In the first row number 1, the leading element is 1. Now we want to convert that matrix into normal form. Whatever may be the element lies below for that, that make that element equal to 0. Means हमको 2 को 0 बनाना है, 3 को 0 बनाना है, 4 को 0 बनाना है. And as well as the same times this one, whatever may be element, left hand side for this row, whatever may be the element which are available in this left hand side, that is means 6, 3 and 8. 6, 3, 8, इसको भी हमको 0 बनाना है. ओके. मीन्स लीडिंग एलिमेंट इज 1, उसके नीचे भी एलिमेंट को हमको 0 बनाना है और इस लीडिंग एलिमेंट के साइड में जो कोई भी एलिमेंट है उसको भी हमको 0 बनाना है. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज ऑपरेशंस? अप्लाई दिस ऑपरेशंस ऑन this matrix. Make this element which are lies below for that leading element, make equal to 0. Means to make 2 equal to 0, 3 equal to 0 and 4 equal to 0 by applying row elementary operation. Means change in R2, a change in R2, R2 minus 2 times R1, change in R3, R3 minus 3 times R1, change in R4, R4 minus 4 times R1. This may element equal to 0 बन जाते हैं. Now apply these operations. There is no change in R1, therefore we are writing R1 as it is. Now changing R2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 4, 4. Now let us observe. This minus 2 multiply 6 is equal to minus 12. Plus 4 minus 12 is equal to minus 8. This 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. This minus 1 and 2 multiply minus 2 multiply this 8, that will become equal to 16. Minus 1 minus 16 is equal to minus 17. This is row number 2. Now row number 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is 10. Here 10. And this 3 get multiplied to 6, that will become equal to minus 3 multiply 6, that minus 18 plus 10 minus 18 is equal to 8. Minus 3 multiply plus 3, that will minus 9, plus 9 minus 9, that is become equal to 0. That element is 0. Minus 3 multiply 8, 24. 24 means minus 24 plus 7. Minus 24 plus 7 is equal to minus 17. Okay, this is operations. Now change in R4. R4 minus 4 times R1 means 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 16 minus 16 minus, sorry, this is plus 16. This 4 multiplies 6. is equal to minus 4 multiply 6 is equal to minus 24. Minus 24, and this is plus 16 minus 24 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8. Now this 4 multiply 8 is equal to minus 4 multiply 8 is equal to minus 32. Minus 32 plus 15 plus 15 minus 32 is equal to minus 17. Minus 17. This is your matrix if you are applying these operations. Now what will happen here? Now we apply these operations and we are making all elements, those which are lies below for that equal to, means lies below for that leading element equal to 0. लीडिंग एलिमेंट के नीचे जो कोई भी एलिमेंट है उसको हमने जीरो बना लिया. Now what is my procedure is next procedure, whatever may be the element which are available, which are available for here in this row, means available in the row for leading element, make that element equal to 0. Means we want to make 6 equal to 0, 3 equal to 3 is equal to 0, 8 equal to 0. Now if अगर हमने लीडिंग एलिमेंट के नीचे जो कोई एलिमेंट है उसको सबको हमने अगर जीरो बनाया है, तो रो में के जो एलिमेंट है उसके साइड में उसको जीरो बनाने के लिए मुझे ओनली ऑपरेशंस लिखना पड़ता है, एक्चुअल कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. इफ यू वांट टू मेक all the elements which are available in this row other than that leading element make equal to 0, उसको 0 बनाना है तो ओनली ऑपरेशंस लिखने की जरूरत होती है, एक्चुअल कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. Now what operations we want to make that 6 equal to 0, means change in column number 2, change in column number 2. तो change in column number 2, C2 minus 6 times C1. Okay, that will become equal to 0. Now, column number 3, change in column number 3, C3 minus 3 times C1. Now, change in column number 4, C4 minus 8 times C1. This is operation. Actual calculation, you need not calculate anything. Means write down the element 1, 0, 0, 0. लिखा है 0, 0, 0. That element becomes 6 become equal to 0, 3 become equal to 0, 8 become equal to 0 by applying these operations, and we need not calculate anything. The matrix doesn't change. Whatever may be the remaining matrix are available here, write down that matrix as it is. वो matrix as it is नीचे आता है. That matrix does not change. Okay. Now what will happen? Here we are observed that row number 2, row number 3 and row number 4 are exact same. Now what you are doing? Now it is easy to eliminate row number 3 and row number 4 by applying the operations. Change in row number 3, change in row number 3, R3 minus R2, change in row number 4, R4 minus R2, R4 minus R2. We are applying that type of operations, and now this matrix become equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, minus 8, 0, 17, and that last two rows is become equal to 0. Okay. Now go in row number 2. So what is the leading element in row number 2? The leading element in row number 2 is minus 8. But in this normal form, the whatever may be the element which are available here, the leading element, that element must be 1. That element must be 1. वो element 1 होना चाहिए. Now apply these operations, change in R2, change in R2, 1 minus 1 by 8 times R2. R2 को here this is R2. R2 row को 1 by minus 1 by 8 से multiply. If you are multiplying minus 1 by 8 row number 2, then what will become? That leading element this available here is minus 8, that will become equal to plus 1. And this minus 17 divided by minus 8, minus get cancelled, that will become equal to 17 divided by 8. This is matrix. We are able. Now, so whatever may be the leading element which are available here, that is become, we are making that element equal to 1. Now what is next step? To make element equal to 0, whatever may be the element, whatever may be the element which are available below for that leading element, make that element equal to 0, उसको हमको 0 बनाना है. इस लीडिंग एलिमेंट के नीचे जो कोई एलिमेंट है उसको हमें 0 बनाना है. बट ऑलरेडी दैट एलिमेंट आर 0, वो ऑलरेडी एलिमेंट आर 0 है. देयर नीड नॉट कैलकुलेशन फॉर अस. उस एलिमेंट के नीचे ऑलरेडी, लीडिंग एलिमेंट के नीचे ऑलरेडी एलिमेंट्स जो कोई भी है वो 0 है. नाउ व्हाट इज माय नेक्स्ट स्टेप? उस लीडिंग एलिमेंट के साइड में, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जो कोई भी एलिमेंट है, मीन्स जो कोई भी एलिमेंट्स है वो सब एलिमेंट 0 होने चाहिए. हमने देखा था अगर लीडिंग एलिमेंट के नीचे के ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर बिकम इक्वल टू 0, 0 बनाए हैं, तो लीडिंग एलिमेंट के रो में के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में के जो एलिमेंट है हमको 0 बनाने के लिए कोई भी कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. दे नीड नॉट रिक्वायर एनी कैलकुलेशन. राइट डाउन ओनली ऑपरेशंस, दैट ऑपरेशंस इज रिक्वायर, and make that element equal to 0 without calculation. Huh? Okay. Now write down these operations. Then what will happen? And write remaining matrix as it is. Now write down remaining means change in C4. Change in C4. C4 minus 17 by 8 times C2. Minus 17 by 8 times C2. And what will happen? This leading element is 1, 1, and other all elements is become equal to 0. Oops, 17 plus 17 by 8 become equal to 0. वो 0 बन जाता है. This you applying these operations. Now your matrix become in such that तुम्हारा matrix ऐसा बन जाता है. Now let us observe this is matrix in the normal form which is in the form of I2. ये I2 matrix तुमको इधर मिलता है. This is identity matrix I2. This is same as identity matrix I2, which is the normal form of I2, which is the normal form of I2. Therefore, the rank for this matrix is equal to 2. Therefore, rank for this matrix is equal to 2, and this is your answer. Okay, now we are stopping here. In next lectures, we are discussing the next question that is based on the find the rank of matrix by using normal form. Find the rank of matrix by using normal form. Okay.